If you are having trouble finding replacement key switches or keycaps for your 8-bit machine and the keyboard uses SMK style switches, you can do this. First, cut and sand off the old stud. Next, drill dead center from the underside with a 1/16-inch drill bit. Third, create a new stud with a couple of pieces of wire soldered together into a plate. I used thick leads from high voltage capacitors that I happen to have laying around. Keep those suckers, they're invaluable. You use them all the time on all different types of things. Fourth, super glue the stud into place using some baking soda to set it instantly if you like. Next, you would drill out any stud material left over in the keycap bottom, very carefully. I didn't need to do that in my case, but you probably will, so you would want to do that. The same 1/16-inch drill bit should work in this case. Super glue the key onto the switch, and use, anything you want to kind of keep it in the right orientation so it doesn't wobble about. And then finally, solder the key switch back into the board and you're set. Because the new stud is metal, you can bend it to match your directionality if it's a bit off. And that's my quick tip for the day. While you're here, I'll remind you that I have a Patreon. If you want to support more cool videos like this, just look at the link in the description, drop $1 in the cup, and it really helps me out. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos. And remember, 8 bits are all you need.